Industry stakeholders and consumers are demanding traceability and more information about the products they purchase, use and consume.
The consumer is asking for more and more transparency, and I think this is where in the end the solution will go to, and where GS1 will play a crucial role.
My vision of traceability is to connect a physical product with a digital history, so to make information about the product, the history available to our customers, and to do storytelling about the production of the product and everything else.
Traceability requires efficient data sharing, important to industry stakeholders and consumers.
There's a regulatory requirement, it's one up, one down. We need to do much more than that. That's clearly not enough. Our vision is to really have complete visibility on the whole value chain, or really the value network, in real time.
Traceability is a matter of sharing data, of sharing processes, of sharing the best that people do to produce products at a reasonable cost.
To achieve their vision of traceability and to deliver safety, trust and efficiency, companies need to transform the manner in which they share information. Systems need to connect.
We must also make it open to be able to use many different systems. There's a key word there, is interoperability.
The thing that's missing at the moment, I believe, is the interoperability of the different systems. In the future they will have to connect.
What we need is not to replace those systems by only one. We need to make them speak together. We need to build an interconnection between them and to build a common language in order to make them work all together. It is definitely a role for GS1.
The point is that we need to connect, and this is a huge challenge. GS1 has a big role because through the standard of GS1, every country, everywhere can connect each other.
Industry has recognized the need for a standards-based traceability framework that enables visibility and interoperability across the supply chain and the need for collaboration between all parties.
In terms of GS1 standard, the question was primarily on labels like barcode. Then it evolved to data and semantic. And we are implementing now EPCIS process into the blockchain.
Probably the biggest challenge from my perspective is how we can get everybody to participate in a way that benefits everybody.
GS1 helps us also to overcome challenges and roadblocks, because there we are together in a community, we are aligning attributes, we are aligning, let's say, techniques. So then it's always easier, to onboard suppliers and to have a community approach to make traceability happen.
Certainement, ça ira beaucoup plus vite que les 30 dernières années, mais il faut y aller.
In response to the urgent need for action from the industry, GS1 invites all parties to collaborate for traceability and interoperability.